Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy lumber rack using only 2x4s. Here's how I did it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is mark out your studs on your wall, and it's really important to make sure that you're actually drilling into the studs and not using any type of drywall anchors, because you're going to have a lot of weight on these lumber racks. So go ahead and mark out your studs, and then we'll go ahead and make our cuts. Here I cut half of my 2x4s into 18-inch pieces. Now that we've got all of our pieces cut, it's time for us to go ahead and start assembling our lumber rack. To assemble the shelves, I pre-drilled and countersunk 4-inch wood screws into my 18-inch sections and attached them to my full-length 2x4. I used a scrap piece of 2x4 that was 14 inches long to create the space in between the shelves to keep it consistent for each of the shelves. Now we got all our pieces cut, we got them assembled, and it's time to screw them into the studs in the wall. In each of my videos, I like to share a Bible verse. This video's verse is from Titus chapter 3. I hope that you find it encouraging. At this stage, it was time to get the shelves set up. This required a lot of leveling and double checking before attaching anything to the wall. You want to make sure that it's level both vertically and horizontally. I hope that y'all are enjoying this video so far. If you are, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps out and I really appreciate your support. Here you can see I'm just finishing up putting in the 4-inch wood screws and driving them into the studs in the wall. This should make sure that each of the shelves is very sturdy. So I finally got the shelves finished up, and now it's time to start stacking my scrap lumber on the shelves that I built and clear up some of this garage space that's desperately needed. So I've spent about the last 4 hours trying to get my lumber rack loaded up. You can see that it's doing really well with the weight so far. I haven't had any issues there, but it's just been a long process trying to get it all stacked up and organized. So I'm going to finish this up and I will see you when it's all finished. Fortunately, this project wasn't too expensive and only required 2 materials. So for the cost breakdown, I spent $34 on 2x4s and about $11 on 4-inch wood screws, bringing the total to $45.78. And here it is, the final product. You can see it's holding up all the weight really well. This is a lot of scrap hardwood pieces that are pretty heavy, so I haven't had any issues with sagging or weight so far. And it looks really nice, and it's keeping my garage nice and organized. I finally got all my lumber up on the rack, and as you can see, it's super sturdy. It's got a ton of weight on it right now, and it's been working great so far. I hope that y'all enjoyed this project. I love how it turned out, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel because you definitely don't want to miss some of the other great garage organization projects I have coming up soon. So I'll see you in the next video.